What's out there? Is there a squirrel? Go get it! Go get it! Hurry! Run! Ooh! Go get it! Go get it! Go get it! Oh no! Oh no! Where is it? Ooh! Squirrel! 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 Don't know where to go, huh? Squirrel! Go get it! Go get it! No, you can't go through there. Kelsey, squirrel! Go get it! Where are you? Kelsey! Maxie, where's the squirrel? Squirrel! Oi! Somebody just stepped in poop. Kelsey! Where's the squirrel? Oh, I don't mean to shake. She just wants to go out there so bad. Maxie braved it. Good boy, Max! He's way up at the top. Kelsey, Maxie got a squirrel! Go look, Max! Uh-oh. Is that kind of deep, baby? That's where she flew off. Got in the snow. Maxie, sit. Max, is that fun out there? Was there a squirrel? Huh? Squirrel! Go get it! Go get it! Oops. Oops. They're trying. Oh, oh. Kelsey! Ugh. Where are they? Let me turn. I don't know. Just trying.